Welcome back, YouTube. It's your boy Brian Felix here, bringing you guys another banger video, man. You want to make sure you watch this video because this is going to be the van setup. You see the title, you see the thumbnail. Make sure you tune in and watch the entire video. Don't skip no ads, none of that, because this is going to be a great video. A lot of information is going to be thrown at you. So I hope you guys learn, enjoy the video, and without further ado, let's get started. Right, so we are here at Tony's garage. Well, we're outside the garage, but we're here at Tony's house. So what we got going on is, this is my beautiful Ford Transit Connect here, tinted out, blacked out tints, 5% tint all around. Can't see anything in there, look at that, but my reflection. So this is my van build here, or this is my van detailing van right here, and I'm gonna just show you guys real quick what we have now compared to what it's gonna look like once we're done with the setup and stuff like that. So first things first, we're gonna start off with, and if anything falls and stuff like that, don't mind the mess, because this is like as real as it gets. This is like on the job. This is like after details, and after a full week of detailing and hard work, this is what it looks like. So we have a Wawa's cup right here. Gotta make sure we stay hydrated, right? Got a bunch of gallons and gas right there. Got the Bissell spot cleaner right there. Got some trash, some more trash, more trash. Got a gallon over there of water. And we have our reel. So we have our pressure washer reel, which is hooked up to the Ryobi. That's right there. We have the vacuum, and then we have the vacuum hose reel. So this reel actually, believe it or not, fell off like 2-3 days ago, and it's actually loose. I don't know if you guys can see. It has one screw holding it together, man, but we're here to get it right? So we have our compressor reel right here with our compressor right there. And today's goal is today's actually Sunday. So today's goal is to actually get everything out the van to make sure that we save time when we do the setup tomorrow and then Tuesday, because we're trying to make sure that we do this build in like 1, maybe 2 days max. But I got to get back to going to work and detailing this car, so I can't keep losing out on money, and this build is also very expensive to do. So we have the 65-gallon water tank. We have our Seaflow water pump sitting right up there, and then I'll show you guys the connections and stuff like that, little stuff when we're doing the build. Around here we have our wheel bucket and our steamer. So this is pretty much the setup right now. We have this big toolbox which is filled with, this is polishing stuff, some random towels, polishing stuff. Right here we have towels, and then right here we have gloves, drill attachments, and all that sort of stuff. And then we have just headlight restoration, glue gun, some blades, tar and sap remover, leather brush, and then just random crap. And then right here we have custom air fresheners with some brushes and stuff like that. So that's what's going on this side. And again, this is the Ryobi pressure washer that's sitting right there. We have the hose. This green hose is connected to the tank, and then the black one I use for client's water source, which is like 99% of the time. And then this is the passenger side. All right, so now we're going to the driver's side, and this is the driver's side. Like I said, this is after detailing and actually putting in work, and this is actually what it's looking like. All right, so we have this little cart that we like to use whenever we're doing wheels, stuff like that, which I love. We have a step ladder there, and then we have spray bottles in here, stuff like that, in this little basket, which is on its last days. So thankfully we're going to go ahead and replace this. And then we have back here just tire shine brushes and stuff like that, with our bucket to wash dirty towels. And with the dirty towels, there's a bag in here, which is simply our Vortex cleaning gun, brushes, pads, towels, and stuff we use for the interior mostly. And then right here we have the generator. All right, so I know it looks dirty and stuff like that, of course, because it is dirty. And we're gonna be replacing this bad boy here. Shout out to Tony for letting me borrow this, but we're gonna be replacing it with the Predator 3500, you guys. So we have it here, and it's finally finally time to upgrade the generator. All right, so this is also another upgrade that we're gonna add to the van. It's gonna be a small little toolbox there, making it super more convenient, much more space and stuff like that for us. Instead of having that big red one over there taking up all the space, it's actually gonna be sitting somewhere in the back here. So yeah, pretty much we're gonna keep this reel. This is gonna be the same reel. I bought new reels for the pressure washer and new reels for the the compressor. So that's staying, except for these two, they're getting replaced. And then I'm keeping the same vacuum, keeping the same pressure washer, and I'm keeping the same air compressor. And then I'm keeping, of course, the same water tank. So pretty much what I'm gonna do right now is just empty it out, take everything out the van, simply lay it somewhere over here where Tony has all this stuff over here. And that way tomorrow it'll be a much smoother, much easier process for us to get started on the van setup. All right, so just to show you guys a little bit of like what Tony got going on. He is not capping when he tells you guys that he's extremely busy. So this is a frame for I don't know what. This is another frame for I don't know what. And then this is my frame here, you guys. So this frame right here is a little dirty. We're gonna have to pressure wash it off tomorrow. But you guys see it. This frame is going into that transit over there in my van. So I can't wait. It's just exciting. Can't wait to get the polisher rack and stuff right there. Put all my gallons and stuff in there. Tank, air compressor, vacuum, and pressure washer. Or maybe the vacuum over there, so we can easily dump it out and stuff like that. But I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys the process or the results of me after I finish emptying everything out, because I'm not gonna go ahead and do a time lapse and stuff like that. I didn't bring my tripod with me. This was kind of like a last minute thing, so I'm gonna go ahead and empty everything out. Hopefully you guys enjoy this van build setup, because I don't think anybody else has recorded or documented the process. So make sure you give this video a thumbs up, because I'm doing something very risky here. I could get in trouble by Tony. So make sure y'all like, comment, share, subscribe, and I'll catch you guys when it's empty. All right, you guys, so we just finished taking everything out the van here. Shout out to my cousin Abiezer. I would say came and helped me out. We only have the generator here left, but we'll just leave that for tomorrow, because Tony's gonna know how to take that off a lot easier than I would. We have, can you open the back doors, bro? We have the back door here, which they'll both be diamond plated, but this is the look at the inside now. We got to clean this thing out, you guys. This thing is dirty. I don't know if you guys can see. I'm trying to flash the light because it got dark on this here, but you guys can see it's pretty dirty. After 2 years of no detail or anything like that, this is what you get. So tomorrow we'll take out that slide out with the generator, and then we'll go ahead and clean it up and then vacuum it out and stuff like that, of course. So just wanted to show y'all, update y'all, and then we'll keep you guys posted tomorrow morning once we get started, and I'll catch you guys there. Let's go.